How much is time worth? Its value is profound. Time can mean the difference between profitability and bankruptcy, breakthrough discoveries and frustrating stagnation, national competitiveness and declining global influence. But classical computing solutions are no longer keeping the pace. They struggle under the weight of increasing complexity, ever-shifting conditions, and rising energy costs. DWave's quantum computing technology puts time back on your side, picking up where classical solutions fall short to solve your most challenging computational problems in seconds, saving precious time, energy, and money. Is the value of quantum computing 15 years out? No, it isn't. It's happening right now. And DWave is leading the way, with systems that can tackle useful, real-world problems beyond the reach of classical computers. A problem that would have taken nearly 1 million years to solve on one of the world's most powerful supercomputers took our system just minutes. Our technology is highly performant, available, and reliable, with a quantum cloud service delivering 99.9% uptime and availability and sub-second response times. This is technology that's capable of moving at the speed of innovation. But don't just take our word for it. More than 100 organizations trust DWave to optimize mobile networks, build more efficient and energy-saving AI workloads, streamline automotive manufacturing, automate workforce scheduling, research new materials, optimize logistics routing, and much, much more. This is Quantum Realized. It's here, brought to you only by DWave.